Piyush Mishra is getting us more details. Piyush, in fact, the Prime Minister has left no stone unturned to go after the opposition on every issue that they have been sparring on over the last few weeks here.
Well, absolutely. It's a scathing attack on the opposition by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Sneha, where Prime Minister has hit out at opposition for not letting the Constitutional Day to be celebrated. He also said that there is no work which can be shown by the RJD government. RJD has ruled in the state of Bihar for several years, but they do not have anything to discuss about what they have done in these years. He has also added that RJD has now become the biggest case of corruption and Jungle Raj in the state of Bihar. So, massive attack which has been created by Prime Minister on the opposition allies, where he has now sought the answers from opposition leaders as to what job they have done. At the same time, he has also requested people to vote for BJP and NDA and help NDA to get more than 400 seats in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, so that the development work which is being carried out by the Modi government in the last 10 years can be continued. Remember that before Prime Minister's visit to Bihar, RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav had also asked 10 questions from PM Narendra Modi. He had asked what kind of work which has been done by the Modi government, to which now the Prime Minister has hit out, asking what job the RJD government has done, what kind of work their governments have done, and he is also saying that RJD has now become face of the Jungle Raj. We'll have to wait and watch how the Congress, RJD and other opposition leaders are going to react on this. But it is a huge attack which has now been escalated by PM Modi against the India Alliance constituents.
Once again to what the Prime Minister has said.
आज एक और देश की संस्कृति पर गर्व करने वाले हम लोग हैं, तो दूसरी ओर हमारी आस्था को नीचा दिखाने वाले लोग हैं। साथियों, कल रामनवमी का पावन पर्व है। सूर्य की किरणें कल अयोध्या में रामलला के मस्तक का विशेष अभिषेक करेंगी। लेकिन घमंडिया गठबंधन के लोगों को राम मंदिर से भी परेशानी है। जो लोग कभी भगवान राम के अस्तित्व पर सवाल उठाते थे, वो आज राम मंदिर पर कैसी कैसी भाषा बोल रहे हैं। एक समुदाय के तुष्टीकरण के लिए इन लोगों ने प्राण प्रतिष्ठा कार्यक्रम का निमंत्रण ठुकरा दिया।